This is how you're going to set up and add appointment scheduling into your Squarespace. Squarespace has its own scheduling platform called Acuity Scheduling, often included or available as an add-on. So first, using Acuity Scheduling, which is Squarespace native tool. So first thing is you're going to activate Acuity. In your Squarespace home menu, you're going to head over to scheduling, or if available, you can look for Acuity Scheduling in the commerce or settings panel. Now from your Acuity Scheduling, you will be able to see Acuity right here, which you will have to subscribe to. And then after that, you now have your Acuity, which will appear right here. You have your Acuity scheduling. Now, what you're going to do next is you're going to set up your scheduling page. You're just going to follow all of the prompts here. Like you can create appointment types, set your availability, and then your customized design. So I'm just going to show you how it's going to look like if you click on create appointment types first. So again, you're going to follow all of the prompts right here because this one is actually highly subjective. So it really depends on what you want, and you're just going to click on the type of service that you want, type of group class, and everything. And then now once you have set that up, what we're going to do is we're going to link this to our website. We're going to go back to our Squarespace editor. We're going to head back to our dashboard, and then from here we're going to click on a website. Now from here we're going to click on edit, and then we're going to add a block and select the appointment scheduling block. So from here, if you want to add a block, you're just going to click on block right here, and then you're going to type in scheduling, and then you will find the scheduling right here. Now you're going to drag it over to your page. Like for example, we want to put it right here, and then you will be able to see your scheduling right here. So you can connect to Acuity scheduling immediately. So you can just click on start an Acuity scheduling trial or connect an existing account. Now you can see here I already have my scheduling block, so it already appears right here, the appointments that I have, like free consultation, basic service, and advanced service. Now you can only see this, or this will only appear into your blog once you have set up or completed the prompt that I was telling you about earlier. Now we can now configure the block to display your full scheduler or a specific type of appointment. Now, if you want to use Calendly, which is a third-party integration, we can get the embed code first. So we're going to head over to our Calendly account, and then from here, we're going to make sure that we are logged in or we have signed up to a Calendly account. Now, we're going to select the event type that you want to share and find the add to website or embed option. So you can find that by clicking on this three dots right beside it, and then from here we're going to click on add to website. Now you can choose if you want to add it as an inline embed, pop-up widget, or a pop-up text. For this one, I'm just going to choose inline embed and then hit on continue, and then from here I'm going to copy the code. You can also configure the settings right here if you want. Now we're going to head back to our Acuity or our website editor, and then from here we're going to add block. So again, we're going to click on add block, and then from here we're going to select the code block. So you find it right there, and then it will be immediately added to our website. If you cannot find it, you can just head over to add block again, and then just drag it over to your page so that you can see it immediately. Now from here, we're just going to edit this. We're going to make sure that we paste the block that we have copied right here. So we're just going to delete this one, and then we're going to paste this inline widget, and then from there we're just going to hit on save if you have it, and then if not, you can just click on anywhere and then click on preview in save mode in order for you to see the block right here. Now if it doesn't work, you can just try again and wait for it to work. Now you can set the block to display as HTML and then save the page, and that's it. That is how you're going to set up and add appointment scheduling in your Squarespace website.